Names change. Vision doesn't. Over the years, we have built more than machines. We have built trust. We have built relationships. We have built solutions that help industries move forward. And as our capabilities have expanded, so has our vision. Today, that evolution takes a new form. Prism Pharma Machinery enters its next chapter as Prism Industrial Systems Private Limited. A stronger organization, a broader industrial ecosystem, a company built to serve not just today's challenges, but tomorrow's opportunities. As Prism Industrial Systems Private Limited, we move forward with a renewed structure, expanded capabilities, and a larger vision for the future of industrial innovation. To our customers, partners, employees, and stakeholders, thank you for being part of this journey. The next chapter begins now.